Very good morning. Today is 13th May 2020. We are going to discuss some important and attractive consumer stock. Attractive means trading at attractive price. So firstly, I would like to introduce with Emami. Emami is at the support 130 and at the resistance 350. The wide range to trade, but as of now it's trading above 200. If we go with the little bit correction, then we can accumulate in a staggered manner, because it has the brand name of Boro Plus, Navratna oil, Zandu balm, First Relief, along with Emami having a pharmaceutical retail chain, means medicine shops all across the India. Not only that, they have started their own brands in all across the medicinal molecules. This is the story of Emami. And thereafter Marico. Marico is a multinational company. They have presence in other parts of the Asia. Their main product is parachute coconut oil, we all know, and Nihar oil in different variants, almost 20 to 25 variants they are selling, and Saffola, a very good brand also, Livon, Hair and Care. These are the prime. Yes, Setwet. It's a perfume product. So Marico is at the support around 230 and resistance around 400. But if we compare these two stocks, Emami and Marico, Emami is very much affordable as of now, because one side they have their own brands, own established brands, along with they have retail chain, and they have entered in pharmaceutical productions. So we will prefer Emami if we get at around 150 to 160. Now coming to a foreign consumer company listed in India, Procter & Gamble, we all know. Their main product is Pampers, Ambipure, Oral-B, Aircel detergent, Tide detergent, Pantene shampoo, Head and Shoulder shampoo and other products, Vicks, Vaporub and Gillette shaving solution. So definitely Procter & Gamble having a strong lineup of brand names, but it's trading at around 10,000 rupees, provided it has the face value of rupees 10. But earlier two stocks are face value of rupees 1. Means if I compare with Emami, Marico and Procter & Gamble, then I have to take the support zone of Procter & Gamble 850, means 8,500, and resistance around 12,500, means 1250. Now we are coming to Godrej Consumer, another good name of Indian consumer company. They have the product lineup, strong product lineup: Good Night, Synthol soap, Heat insecticides, Z detergent, and Godrej #1 soap. But it has a support area of 400 and resistance area of 590. It's the wide range I have said, trading within the price. But one thing I would like to mention here, that Godrej Locking and Solution, that is the big consumer product, is not comes under the Godrej Consumer because it's a subsidiary of Godrej Boyes Manufacturing Co. Limited, which is not listed. It's a private entity. And lastly, Jyoti Lab. It's not that much established with the brand names because it has mentionably 4 brand names I found: Ujala, Maxo Coil, Margo Soap, and Exo. So Jyoti Lab we should buy below 80 of consumer stocks like HUL, Dabur, Abbott India, ITC, Nestle, and so on, Britannia. They all will have to compete with the regional player. Regional players means in Kolkata, in Delhi, in Bangalore, in Chennai, everywhere they have the competitors to compete. Means Britannia making biscuits, making cookies, but the local producer of Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Madras also producing and supplying the same category product to the shopping malls and wholesalers market. So brand name is always in advantage, but in price regional players are in advantage. So we must choose very carefully, namely first the most attractive price and stable consumer stock in Indian market is Dabur. As far as I am concerned all about, it is trading around 450, and almost all the consumer stocks of Indian equity market are traded at 1 rupee face value. Means if you want to get the actual value of the consumer stock, then you have to multiply with 10, because 10 is the considered as a standard face value of every share. Then the shares are split. Whatever, if all the consumer stocks are trading at the face value ₹1, then the Dabur's price will be 450 into 10, means 4,500 is the price of the Dabur. Dabur is a mainly Ayurveda company. Lot of brand names, good brand names are there: Dabur Dantamanjan, Dabur Chyawanprash, Dabur Lal Oil, Odomos, and Dabur Honey. All these are there. Hereafter, I would like to introduce the giant of the consumer stock, that is Hindustan Unilever. They have few high margin brand names as mentionably Pureit, the water purifier. We all know Voltas, Blue Stars all have the water purifier business, but Pureit is mostly affordable till now. And another good brand name is Lakme, that is the cosmetic product, that is a high margin oriented product of Hindustan Unilever. And there is Quality Walls ice cream, that is also marketed by Hindustan Unilever. These are the few names of very high brand value. Now the two or three stocks I will be discussing, which is also consumer stocks, also trading at 1 rupee face value, also at a cheap price, but still I am not comfortable for the few reasons, namely ITC. ITC is trading around 140 to 160 rupees. 140 to 180 is the range where it is trading as of the May 2020. But ITC 85% revenue comes from the tobacco. So there may be a very risky bet to buy ITC. And the FMCG part means food products they are selling and cosmetic products they are selling at a very low margin to gather market share, to generate market share, to fight with other big giants. And second is Adani Enterprise. They have very few brand names, but I think they need some more time to do exceptional in this field. And lastly is Tata Consumers, which formerly known as Tata Global Beverages. It is very close to 52 weeks high, trading in the May 2020. But Starbucks and Tetley is the prime factor of Tata Global Beverages or Tata Consumers. But I don't think these two is good enough to trade Tata Consumer. These two brand name is good enough to trade Tata Consumer at around 350 above, because it is trading with a face value of rupees 1, means the actual cost of the actual price of the Tata Consumer is coming to 3500. 350 into 10 means 3500 will be the actual cost of Tata Consumers. So last these three stocks are not that much attractive, or may be attractive in future, but not as of now. So these are the key stocks of Indian consumers listed players. Thank you very much.